Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will learn course curriculum overview. This is sekharmetla, software trainer. I am the course instructor for this complete MS-SQL from scratch. We'll see what is course curriculum overview. Don't skip this lecture. You will know about the program. Introduction starts with MS-SQL installation to complete setting up your environment to work with Microsoft SQL Server, the database instance setup, and the MS-SQL Management Studio installation you will learn. And how to follow this course one by one you will get it. MS-SQL setting up the environment setup called Management Studio installation, GUI tool for MS-SQL, additional learning resources what are available you to learn along with this MS-SQL. Database and table creations. The what is database and what are the tables? The basic funda you will learn here and SQL statement fundamentals. It will be course initiating from the beginning basic SQL statement how we are going to issue it and writing using query window. How to use commands in SQL you will start beginning. Joins in SQL. Advanced join statements and what are the types of joins are available? That is inner join, outer join, full outer join, left join, right join. These are the differentiate between the joins and how to apply in real-time scenario. With the taking of the practical examples, we'll discuss and advanced skill statements you will learn and test your knowledge. It will be giving you an assignment. Based on the lecture, you will be asked and assigned an assignment. You need to crack it. Anyhow, the assignment will always give you like a solutions as well. And now, creating database and tables. You will be having a great idea about how to create database and tables with the using of like data types. While creating of the data table, you need to require what are the columns you are choosing. Based on the column, what data type you want to insert into that particular column. It's very important. Very detailed session is available for this to creating of the database as well as tables. If you understand about how to create database and tables, you will be planned for data structure. Creating of the complete data structure, you will get an idea and backup restore database. It will be known you to making you a secure database and restoring the database to revert back. And assessment for your skills will be tested here. And now built-in SQL commands. These are the timestamp, math functions, string functions, subquery and inner query. These are the queries you will learn. The create table along with the primary key and the foreign key, how to apply primary key and foreign key, what is the differences between these two, you will learn here. And how to apply these keys, very detailed explanation are available. And the statements of insert, update, delete, drop. All the statements you will learn with the practical knowledge. Come to the constraints, you will learn what are the different type of constraints, what are the real-time usage for this constraint you will learn here. I hope you better understand about the course curriculum view where you will get an SQL professional. I hope you will be inside the course. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.